Now you can see we could achieve the same thing. See, and they have different card, and on different card they have different colors. Let's also try to do that. This background will be something which will be stored in a variable. Let's write some comment. On circle, background will be set by JavaScript. Use the ng style directive and now you can see we are able to set the background using JavaScript, and we only put lime as a color, that's why it's applied to everything. Now let's create a pipe, and that pipe will return a random color whenever we will call the pipe. Go inside Frontend and ng generate, G for generate, P for pipe, and we will be generating the pipe inside module. Let's return lime for now and use the pipe. Let's write it as a pipe and pass some value. It is working. It is working. The pipe is returning lime. Will return a random color whenever we will call the pipe. Let's save it, and there is some error. It's returning a long number. Let's round the number. Yes, the pipe is working perfectly. It is returning random colors. So you can see we learned how to create a custom pipe and use it.